Welcome to Disneyland Paris, ladies and gentlemen. This is my first time vlogging in Disneyland Paris though, but this is our like 8th time here. And we've came back to Disneyland Paris for one reason only, to buy some annual passes. Now the reason we came all the way to Disneyland Paris to buy an annual pass instead of doing it in the UK is we get a 25% off disability. So you need to come to the park to actually buy the pass here, the gold pass. You get a massive discount. Plus we're going to do a step-by-step guide on how to buy the pass. We'll take you through step by step, and yeah, hopefully it's an easy process. But look, the beautiful Disneyland Hotel, beautiful there. Anyway, let's head and get our tickets. So welcome to Disneyland Paris. We're at the Disney Park. Beautiful morning here, beautiful morning. Temperature 16 degrees. We're heading this way, we've been told to come this way. So we've looked online, so we're going to head at the side here where we can pick up our annual passes and a disability badge as well. Okay, so we're just waiting for it to open. It's not quite open yet, it's not 8:30 yet. But you don't need to go to Walt Disney Studios to collect your annual pass. You can do it at Walt Disney Studios between 12 and 5. Or you can come here at 8:30 and this is open. You can collect your priority pass as well in here. But yeah, we're right next to the Disneyland Hotel. There's Kirsty. Say hi, Kirsty.
Hi, Kirsty.
Hi, Kirsty. She's got her Mickey ears on. Very nice. You're going to get a new pair, aren't you?
Yes.
Yeah, definitely. So yeah, we're just waiting to get in, get our passes. Hopefully it's an easy process. We've got our documents, we've got a driving licence, we've got a bank account, we've got proof of disability as well, which is a national disability card, which gets you 25% off, and it gets me a priority card as well. We can only do that here, so that's why we're here waiting to get a pass. Hi, we would like to buy 2 annual passes, please.
Alright. Did you have an annual pass prior to this one?
No.
Never?
We've never had an annual pass.
Perfect. Alright. Do you have both an ID? Yes. Do you know which pass?
Yeah, we want the gold one. And I've got my disability card as well.
Alright, perfect. The bank informations, please. Alright. Is she paying there?
No.
1, 2, 3.
Would you like my partner as well?
After.
All right, okay.
So, with this card, you're able to give your partner a 25% discount on her pass as well.
Yeah.
Just letting you know that if you come with someone else during the year, you won't be able to give them the 25% off buying tickets.
That's fine. That's
All
fine.
right?
There's only 2 years. That's fine. Perfect. Thank you.
Should I put both names? I just put your first name, just Michael for you.
Yeah, it's fine.
And I just put Kirsty.
Kirsty,
Perfect.
fine. Thank you. So she's just getting a picture taken. Simple process so far.
Yeah, so you're able to put at least 149 each. If you want to put more, you're welcome to do so. So the monthly payment will be less.
Yeah, 149 is fine each.
I'm sorry?
€150 each is fine.
150.
Yeah, thank you.
Please.
What am I doing? Euro.
Yeah, you can choose your currency. So, which I just realized, this bank we don't take for the monthly payment. Do you have another bank? Yeah.
TSB?
It's not on the list of the bank we don't.
Oh, that's good.
So it should be all right. Sorry about that, guys.
It's okay.
Sorry about that. Do you know what does it stand for? TFB?
I have no
It's not
idea.
Sterling Bank.
No, not
No.
sterling. No. Oh, let me see. No. It's not sterling. No.
All right. So, is this the number?
No. Here on the bottom. Yeah.
The small numbers, so
Account number and sort code.
The sort code.
Yes, an account number.
So I put all this in. Yeah. Because
so.
so here. So sort code, account
And then
number.
this, okay, all together.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So don't take Monzo. Right, okay. That's good to know.
Take Halifax either.
You don't take Halifax. The Bank of Scotland have done that too.
Yep. Wonder why.
I don't know. So what else was on it?
Sterling.
Anything with Sterling?
Sterling Bank.
Sterling Bank.
It doesn't accept it.
What's it asking for?
IBAN. IBAN.
Yeah, the Monzo's got that.
IBAN?
So that.
You have a phone. Wait.
Can you go into your TSB account?
Wait there 2 seconds.
Find the IBAN on your
That's there.
bank
I've got it. IBAN there.
Thank you. Alright, hang on to your phone just a second. So I need a quick signature over here. This is for the payments monthly.
Brilliant.
It counts
What day does it come off?
on the 10th. So on the 10th of next month.
Not this month, next month.
I'll
Okay.
have the first one. It's on 11 months.
Okay.
Alright. So your annual pass is strictly personal.
Yes.
Don't give it to someone else.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Don't forget to make the reservation when you come to our parks.
Yes.
Yeah, we get access today though, don't we?
So I can do the reservation for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have up to 3 reservations at a time.
Okay.
So along the year.
Three, yeah.
Once you use one, you can do another one.
Okay.
All right. And please honor your visits, because if you book a visit and you don't show up,
Yeah.
at some point we're gonna block the pass for 1 month.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
If you lose it or it gets stolen, it's a €40 fee.
Okay.
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 Do you want to use the same picture as the pass or the picture that you gave us?
The picture of the pass is fine. Thank you. See the card. Do I have to get the? Do I have to order the card every single time I come?
The thing is that when you order the card for just 1 day or 2, it's okay. But for the annual pass, we have to give you the card of the length of your pass.
Yeah. Okay, that's
When
good.
you pre-order, we are not able to change the date. So I have to make the card.
All right.
so
Okay.
The date matches the date of your
Thank
pass.
you. Thank you. There you go. That makes sense. So the disability card works all year. So I don't need to book every single time to get a priority
Like
card.
your annual pass.
Yeah, so it goes all the way to the date. So the annual pass will end next year at this time, which today's date is the 2nd of October.
Have you used the card before in our parks?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Same thing as the pass, strictly personal, don't hand it to
Yeah.
someone else.
Yeah.
Right? You have up to 4 people with you on the rides and shows.
Okay.
For the outside show, like the parade and the fireworks, it's up to 2 persons.
Yeah.
For the parade, you show up at the entrance of Fantasyland. Do you see where it's a small world?
Yeah.
On the outside, you have the 2 towers.
Yeah.
Right there, you're gonna have someone maybe 30 minutes prior to the parade.
Okay.
For the night show, it's gonna be at the entrance of Frontierland.
Yeah.
At the big door.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
You also have priority inside the shops and restaurants.
Yeah.
Don't forget, anyone with you is a companion.
Okay.
The little one under 3 is counted as a companion.
Yeah.
Okay.
All
Okay.
right. So I need a signature from you, sir, on the 1st and 2nd page. That will be the contract for the card.
Is it?
These
What's that?
passes, you can already download the app. You can
Yeah.
also
Yeah.
put them inside the app so you have the digital QR
perfect.
code.
Yep.
All right. And this is your priority access.
Thank you. Thank you very
I
much.
believe you're all set. Is there
All
anything
set.
else I can do for you?
Yes.
No, that's it. Thank you. Thank you.
so
Cheers,
much.
pal. Thank you.
Reservation.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So just scan your
Perfect.
Thank you.
so
Take
much.
care. Bye bye. Bye bye. There you go. Ooh, got there. Thank you. Got there. Right, ladies and gentlemen, we have our annual passes for Disneyland Paris. It took about 50 minutes to an hour, I would say, to hand over all the details and stuff like that. Interesting fact, it's not your account number if you're from the UK or sort code, it's your IBAN number. You need TSB, they accept TSB, they don't accept Bank of Scotland, Monza, any cards online they don't accept. But they took TSB with an IBAN number. That's what you need to get an annual pass here. Priority card as well. I've got a priority card, so that's for all year round. That was simple and easy to do as well. She had to do another one because I reserved one online thinking I need to do that every single time. You don't. You get that card for the year of your annual pass, and it basically helps you with disabilities and stuff like that. So monthly payments, we paid £300 deposit. Monthly payments are going to be €47, which is about maybe £42, £41 a month each. I thought that was quite good. You can pay more deposit. I opted in just to pay the £150 each deposit. You can pay £200 deposit if you want. You can probably pay more, I'm guessing. But she was training, she was really, really lovely. And it was a simple process. We got there in the end, and we're here in Disneyland Paris. It's Halloween in Disneyland Paris. Fantastic, honestly, we're so happy we got our passes. It was a simple process. It does take about an hour, so leave an hour, come at 8:30 in the morning. They'll help you. You don't need to go to Walt Disney Studios. You can come here at the Disneyland Hotel underneath it at the disability area, and as soon as you get your ticket, they'll give you park access for the day. You need to reserve after that 3 days reserving. You can reserve 3 days with your annual pass going forward. So today we'll got access, we'll go home tomorrow, and then we'll book for New Year. We'll come at Christmas, New Year, and we'll book our days online. And she did say if you forget to book, if you forget to come, sometimes they can block you for a month if you book it and don't show up. So that was very good information. But she was training, she took her time, she's done really, really well. I'm very, very happy. We got there in the end. At one point I thought they weren't going to accept any bank, because that was one thing, trying to find that information was very, very hard online. But it was a simple process. I've got my Disneyland Paris Gold Pass. Can't wait. Anyway, I'm going to head into the park now. I'll see you again soon. Take care.